Welcome back. In this video we will be talking about Python operators. Let's start with the most useful ones. We of course have the basic math operators. So we have addition, we have subtraction, we have multiplication, we have division, and so on. Let's just keep in mind that for multiplication we use the asterisk symbol, and for division we use the backslash symbol. Then we have modulus. Modulus is the remainder of the division between two numbers. What does that mean? It means that if we divide 5 by 3, we will get the remainder 2. This might not be obvious in what it's useful for, but for example, it can be used for, among other things, for determining if a number is even or odd by checking its remainder when dividing by 2, and also you can also take the last digit of a number by checking the remainder when dividing it by 10. Let's show you a few examples in the Python terminal. For example, if we divide 11 by modulo 2, 11 is an odd number, so the remainder will be 1. If we do the same thing with 12, it will be 0. So we can easily check if a number is even or odd by checking the remainder when dividing it by 2. This works with any number. This is an odd number. This is an even number. Then we can also take the last digit by taking the modulo by division with 10. So in this case we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we take the modulo 10, we will get 5. If we do it again, remove the 5 and do it again, we'll get 4. So keep this in mind. Then we have the exponent, same as the math operation, so this means 5 to the power of 3, the output will be 125. Then we have floor division. This is a bit more interesting because as opposed to division, which gives you the exact floating point value, the floor division will get you an integer value that is rounded down, so hence the floor. So if we do 5 floor division 3, keep in mind that it has a double backslash, the result will be 1. So it takes the division and then rounds it down. Also pay attention that the exponent uses 2 asterisk symbols and not this symbol that you might have seen before. Then we have the comparison operators. We have the equal, which once again pay attention, it's a double equal sign, not to be confused with the single equal sign from the assignment operator. So whenever we compare two numbers, so we use the comparison operation, we use a double equal. When we assign a value to a variable, we use a single equal. Then the not equal sign, well, this means different, so not equal. Then we have greater and smaller than, which is quite obvious. But then we also have greater or equal and less or equal. This is done by putting a mathematical symbol and then an equal next to it. Once again, keep in mind that we have the equal for the assignment operation, so a equals 5, x equals 1. This assigns x to the value of 1, assigns a to the value of 5. And then also, this is really important, if we use the plus equal sign or the minus equal sign for that matter, it's equivalent to taking the current value and adding that number to it. So a plus equals 3 will be equal to a equals a plus 3. Same for this, will be equivalent to a equals a minus 3. So if we just remove this and run it, you will see that a will be 8. Alright, that's been it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.